Hey, what's up? What's up? Back with another exciting Cybertruck video for you guys. You guys really loved the first accessory video that I did, so now I'm back with a part 2. Let's go check out some cool accessories for the Tesla Cybertruck. You already know that I gotta start off by giving you guys a quick tour of the Cybertruck right here, wrapped in this lovely blue color with the yellow accents. And trust me, everybody loves it in blue. Check that thing out, man. Looking so sweet. This was wrapped by Omega Windows Tinting in Fayetteville, North Carolina. They also did the window tints as well. So go ahead and check them out. Now for the calipers, I did those myself. Check them out right here. There we go. And if you're curious, my Cybertruck is the dual motor version, so not the tri-motor. This video is sponsored by Frunk, and a lot of the accessories that I'm about to show you are made by them. They really love my first accessory videos where I showcased a lot of their products, and they wanted to show their support for the channel and sponsor this second video with a lot of their accessories and stuff. So check them out, all that I'm about to show you. Some of the other accessories I did purchase with my own money, and Frunk sent me a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. So let's go. So we all know the Cybertruck is the perfect grocery getter, and these cooler bags right here were made specifically for the Tesla Cybertruck. So when you go grocery shopping, now you don't have your stuff all melted by the time you get home. You can literally just come over here, pack them in, and zip it up. There it is, all zipped up, and you can easily close the frunk. Check that out. Pretty cool. Next up, for your camping trips, this is gonna come in very handy. Stay tuned for this. I got more info coming on that. So here it is right here. We got a organizer right here. Let's open this up, pull it open like that, and there we go. Pretty cool. So now you can bring all your groceries or your snacks or whatever you want to take, and they don't have to be rolling around in the front. And if you don't want to use it up front, you could always use it back here so your stuff is not rolling around in the bed of the truck. It's really hot out here, guys. As you can see, I'm sweating, so I would really appreciate it if you guys could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and share this video with a friend. And also subscribe to help the channel keep growing. Thank you very much. So if you want to check out any of the accessories in this video, I'll leave a link to them in the pinned comment and also in the description below. So let's check out some accessories for the bed of the Cybertruck. And this one comes in very handy, so you don't have stuff moving around in the bed of your Cybertruck. You can properly secure it with this. The attachment points are right here, right there, and up there, and right over there. This next one is very handy as well, so you'll prevent stuff from flying out the bed of the Cybertruck. It comes with all the accessories for it as well. So you have this, and you have this one. So look at it, pretty good. It secures down here as well. And while we're still back here with the bed of the Cybertruck, showing you guys all the cool accessories, this next one is an official accessory from Tesla. So this is the Cybertruck jump seat. Check it out. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. This thing is $100. When I bought it, I thought you got two, but I should have scrolled down and read you only get one. So if you want two, got to spend another $100 and get another one. Design looks good. It's also pretty comfy. So like this video and we'll go on to showing you some accessories for the inside of the Cybertruck. So if you don't want the wheel covers on your Cybertruck, or you still haven't received the wheel covers for your Cybertruck as yet, here we go. I got something to make it look even better. Here it is. You got lug nut covers, and you also have this center cap cover right here. So this is a complete set. I think it looks pretty good, gives it a more rugged look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So we're not done with the bed of the Cybertruck yet, guys. I actually have one more thing to show you back here, and it's hidden under here. So let's check it out. Here it is. You have another cooler bag. This one is made for the sub frunk, so it's not like the ones up front. The shape is different. So pretty unique. I like how they're coming up with some unique ideas for the Cybertruck. Check that out. Store all your cold stuff in here so they're not melted by the time you get home. So this next accessory is an official one from Tesla. So this is the Cybertruck second row pet liner, and I'm actually going to give this one away. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, share the video, like the video, and drop a comment down below, and I'll choose a random winner from the comments. So let's take a quick minute out of this video and talk about something really exciting that I'm so pumped to share with you guys. So as you guys know, I'm a big fan of Tesla, and I'm even a bigger fan of the Tesla Cybertruck. So I decided to start my own merch line. Here we go. Cyber Nation, baby, Cyber Nation. All in love for the Tesla Cybertruck, the Cybertruck enthusiasts, and everybody. So let's go check out some stuff. So here's a look at the first design we have. Cyber Nation logo, that's what the CN also stands for. But this is a sticker that you can get in different sizes as well. So go ahead and check that out. So you name it and we have it. We have t-shirts, we have stickers, we have air fresheners, we have water bottles. Anything else you guys want, just drop it in the comments and I'll make those products for you. I have 3 different designs that I'm working with right now, so let me show you them. So here's a t-shirt design with the Cyber Nation logo on it. Looks pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. Comes in different sizes, different colors, so there's literally a shirt for everybody. Go check them out. Here's another one of my favorite design, guys. This one says batteries included, and my brother came up with this idea right here, so big shout out to him. But look at that. Let me know what you guys think about it. I really love it. There's also hats that you can get. You can also get clothing for your kids. So go ahead and check it out. cybernation.shop. There we go. Many people say the Cybertruck looks like a spaceship. So here we go, guys. Mars rover, baby. So for all you guys that love rockets, space, Elon Musk with Mars and everything, this one is for you. Mars rover, baby. Check it out. Check it out. So Cyber Nation isn't just a merch line, guys. This is an entire movement, community driven. So be a part of it. We'll be doing a lot of things like events, Cybertruck meetups, all of that good stuff. So go ahead, follow Cyber Nation on social media and stay tuned. I formed a group before that was called Carolina Cybertrucks. That was local to the Carolinas, so North and South Carolina. But I had DMs from people who wanted to be a part of that movement. So that's when I came up with something bigger called Cyber Nation. Let's go. Here's another sticker in the bed of the truck with the batteries included design. I think it looks pretty cool, guys. Here's my air freshener with the batteries included design. You can get them in the other designs as well. And trust me, when I say it smells good, it smells really good. And that's not because it's my product why I'm saying that, but I'm just being very truthful and honest, which I always do. Next product I got is this water bottle right here. Look at that. I have the Mars rover design on it. I might shrink the design a little bit, but it won't be different from this one right here. So by the time you're watching this video, the new updated design should be on the website, which will be just a little smaller than this. But check this out. Store it right here in your Cybertruck and you're good to go. Check it out, guys. Check it out. This next accessory is an armrest pad, and I think it looks pretty good. I like the design on top. You also have pockets on both sides. There we go. So if you wanted a little more padding, you can have this right here. Plus it also protects the armrest. So this is the tray for the center console that comes from Tesla with the Cybertruck for the Foundation series, but I have a better one. Let's check it out. Here's the new one for size comparison. As you can see, it's a lot deeper. Let's put it in and check it out. Here's the new one. It looks much better in my opinion. Plus it's much more organized. You also have slots for your coins. Plus you could route your wires through here. And if you want to keep stuff even more organized, you could get this divider right here. So you could store stuff here, 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 and here. Plus it also comes with a protective pad in here. So you could literally just take this out and clean it. Pretty cool. So if you're finding value in this video, guys, all I ask is that you guys like this video so YouTube can show it to more people and we can also help to grow the channel. Thank you. So this right here is going to make your life a whole lot easier. It's going to be easier to clean your cup holders. So if you have a spill or any kind of mess, you can just pull this out and wash it, let it dry, put it back inside. You also get this right here for your wireless chargers. Pretty cool. Let's check out this next cool accessory right here. You have this piece for the centerpiece right here. So this is going to help to prevent scratches. It's also going to help you easier to clean up any kind of mess or spills or anything. You can just pull this out and wash it and put it back inside. So like I said, guys, the wrap and the tint was done by Omega Windows Tinting in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Here's all that they do. Go ahead and check them out. You can give them a call. Tell them I sent you and they'll give you a discount as well. So as you guys can tell, I love having accessories for the Cybertruck that makes it easier to clean. So here we have some trays for the doors. So I could take this out if there's a spill wash it out and put it back in. Now if something spills in here, good luck cleaning that up. Comes in very handy. You also get some for the rear doors as well, so this absolute must have. Next up, we have an under-seat storage option. Tesla do have their own product for this, but I think this one is a lot better. So what I mean is here you have a liner, so easier to clean. Plus you also have these different storage bins, so you could store different stuff in all these different spaces. The Tesla one, none of that, so you're gonna have stuff constantly rolling around in there. This just keeps it easier to clean and more organized. So something my rear seat passengers complain about is the placement of the seat belts. So they said that it scrapes your neck. So this is what I added to those seat belts. So if you're having that issue, you could add these to your seat belts. So I know you guys love the yellow calipers on the Cybertruck. I think they make it look so much better, you know, especially with all the yellow accents. So I'll leave the link to the exact product that I use in the description so you can check it out. They do have the paint in different colors as well. Check out the Model Y with those yellow calipers. Those are actually caliper covers. This is caliper paint. So when I'm home, I use this household vacuum right here to give the Cybertruck a real deep cleaning. I'll try to find a link to it on Amazon. If there's not one, then I'll just leave a link to one that's, you know, comparable. If you want a tool to take off your center cap covers, you can get this one right here. It's pretty easy to use. So I like doing stuff myself. I recently had to rotate my tires, and these are the tools that I used. So these are not being sold on Amazon, but I'll try to find similar ones and link them in the pinned comment and description below. So you're gonna need 2 jacks and 2 jack stands, and you're gonna need a torque wrench to torque down those lug nuts to the right specs when you're done. Next up, we have this sunscreen right here for the windshield. So let's go ahead and install it and see how it looks. It comes in this nice traveling bag as well. Here it is from the outside. In terms of windshield washer fluid, this is what I use, the Rain-X bug remover right here. I have a pretty funny short video on it, so go check that out. So when you take delivery of your Cybertruck, this is how the bed is gonna look. You're gonna have all those watermark stains, and trust me, everything you do, you will not be able to get it out. But I found the solution right here. This is what I use. Use this cloth right here. Now look at the results. Look at that. So Tesla, if you're watching this video, get some of this and you can use that to fix that problem when you guys detail the truck before delivery. So look at that again. Pretty cool stuff. I use all these microfiber cloths as well to clean the interior of the Cybertruck, so make sure to check these out. So as I was editing the video, guys, I remember that I didn't include this piece in the video, and it's an absolute must-have. It's gonna prevent you from getting scratches all along here, so when you're loading stuff inside the frunk or taking stuff outside of the frunk. So comes in very handy. Check it out. Here's a closer look at all the designs, guys. Wow, I'm super happy with these. Let me know what you guys think. These things look so good. Official branding logo on all the shirts as well. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm also going to make the logo bigger on the hat, so that should be updated on the website when this video goes live. But if you guys could support me with this right here, I'd truly appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Thank you. All right, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It literally feels like I've been filming all day, but hey, gotta do what you gotta do, man. So let me know in the comments which one of these accessories was your favorite for the Cybertruck. Drop it in the comments. Also, subscribe to the channel and like this video, share it with a friend, and stay tuned for more. I think I'm actually gonna go do a video with the Model Y with the Smart Summon, so stay tuned for that video. It might already be out while you're watching this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.